Sudha here. Today in this video I will gonna show you how we can apply captions or subtitles on your YouTube video. It's basically a best SEO tool for your YouTube that increase the subscribers and viewers of your YouTube channel. So first open your favorite browser and then YouTube, and here sign in your account. I have already signed in, so click on your account and then your channel. So guys, you can see the option YouTube Studio here, and you can also click on your account and then click on the gear icon with YouTube Studio here. So guys, I will gonna click on YouTube Studio. And then dashboard will be open. At the left side you can see that the video option here. So guys, click on video option. I will gonna click on video and then select your video you want to apply subtitle. Here you can see the pencil icon here, then click on this. Here you can see more options. Click on more options and then scroll down some little, and here you can see the option subtitle. So guys, you can also select at your left side subtitles here. So you can see English automatic that apply caption automatically. So I will gonna edit my own captions. So click on this. So here you can see edit option here. So just click on edit. You can see that captions are automatically applied by YouTube. So if you want to change captions, you can see that your sound and your caption must be matched.
Years ago, there was a king.
So guys, I say that years ago, there was a king who was very kind and then I have
Who was
said
very kind and pious. Or
I have said pious. So you can change your caption here. Over time he become old and old. Now then I have
old
said
and old, he had
three sons, no twin sons. He had 3 sons. So guys, you can change captions also, and after changing at the top you can see the button publish edit. So guys, here just click on publish edit and now it will be published. So guys, here it's successfully published, and return to your YouTube Studio and then refresh it, and now watch your YouTube video. So guys, let's check this. Captions are successfully applied or not. So view on YouTube. So play this.
years ago, there was.
If captions are not displayed, then click on CC. Here the smile icon CC, just click on this. So you can see that caption will be displayed. Years ago there was a king. So you can see that
king who are
it
trying to
successfully
find the
applies.
files.
I hope this small video will really help you. If you like the video, then click on like button, subscribe button and share button. If you have any query, then comments below. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.